need an intervention!
I'm fine. I'm a polecat now, Daddy, and I'm proud of it. Am I the Meowsiah?
Tsunami! Turtle wax buffs out the cracks. I'm in a glass case of emotion.
Nah, kid, let me show you how to do it. I was a cat burglar for years.
Let go of me, you peckerhead!
10,000 people at the parade, and not a single Hello Kitty. All right, the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snapping turtle?
Bruh.